In many parts of Kenya today, life is moving very fast. People wake up early, rush to work, spend long hours in traffic, and come back home tired. Because of this busy life, many people do not have enough time or energy to clean their homes or offices properly. This simple problem has created a big opportunity. A cleaning services business has become one of the easiest and most practical ways for an ordinary person to start earning money and building a stable future. Imagine waking up one morning and deciding to take control of your financial life. You do not need millions to begin. You do not need a big office or expensive machines. All you need is a clear mind, a strong will, and a small amount of money. With as little as 20,000 Kenyan shillings, you can begin your journey. This is what makes cleaning business special. It is open to anyone who is ready to work hard and stay consistent. Let us picture a young person in Nairobi around the year 2026. This person has been looking for a job for many months without success. Every day feels heavy and hope seems to fade. One day they notice how many homes around their estate need proper cleaning. They realize that this is not just dirt, it is an opportunity. That moment changes everything. They decide to act. The first step is always the hardest. Buying basic tools like a bucket, a mop, brushes, gloves, and cleaning detergents may cost about 10,000 Kenyan shillings. Adding transport costs and simple marketing like printing flyers might take another 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Even without a vacuum cleaner, the business can begin. The most important thing at this stage is not perfection. It is starting. At the beginning, customers may be few. The first client might be a neighbor who needs help cleaning their house. The job may pay around 1,500 Kenyan shillings. It may feel small, but it is powerful. It is proof that the idea works. After finishing the work well, the client becomes happy and tells a friend. That friend tells another friend. Slowly, the business begins to grow. Consistency is what separates success from failure. Cleaning may seem like simple work, but doing it well requires attention to detail. Floors must shine, windows must sparkle, and every corner must be touched. Clients notice small things. When you go beyond expectations, you build trust. Trust is the foundation of any successful business. As days turn into weeks and weeks into months, the small business begins to take shape. The owner starts to understand the market better. They learn which services are in high demand. For example, many people are willing to pay more for sofa cleaning or carpet cleaning. These services require special equipment, but they also bring higher income. Investing in a vacuum cleaner or a carpet cleaning machine, which may cost between 15,000 and 30,000 Kenyan shillings, becomes a smart decision. Growth does not happen overnight. There will be challenges along the way. Some clients may delay payment. Some may cancel appointments at the last minute. There will be days when no work comes in. These moments can feel discouraging. However, every business faces difficulties. What matters is how you respond. Staying patient and focused helps you move forward. Marketing is another key part of success. In the past, businesses relied mostly on word of mouth. Today, social media has changed everything. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok allow small businesses to reach thousands of people for free. Posting before and after photos of cleaning work can attract attention quickly. People love seeing transformation. A dirty space turning clean creates a strong visual impact. Creating a simple online presence can also help. Even a basic website gives your business credibility. It shows that you are serious. It allows customers to contact you easily. Over time, you can also register your business officially. Registering a business name in Kenya may cost around 1,000 Kenyan shillings. Getting a county business permit may cost between 5,000 and 15,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on location. These steps help you grow professionally. As the business expands, one person may not be enough. Hiring one or two helpers becomes necessary. This is a big step. It means trusting others to represent your brand. Training your workers is very important. They must understand quality, respect, and professionalism. When a team works together well, the business becomes stronger. Income also begins to increase. Instead of earning a few thousand Kenyan shillings per week, the business can start making between 30,000 and 100,000 Kenyan shillings per month. With more clients and better services, earnings can grow even higher. Some established cleaning companies in Kenya make over 200,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Another powerful idea is creating service packages. Instead of one-time cleaning, You can offer weekly or monthly plans. For example, a client may pay 10,000 Kenyan shillings per month for regular cleaning. This creates stable income. It also reduces stress because you know money will come in regularly. Partnerships can also open new doors. Working with real estate agents can bring steady work. When tenants move in or out, houses need deep cleaning. This type of work often pays more than regular cleaning. Hotels and Airbnb hosts also need reliable cleaners. Building relationships in these areas can transform your business. The beauty of a cleaning business is that it can grow step by step. You do not need to rush. Start small, learn, improve, and expand. Over time, you can add more services like pest control, fumigation, or even landscaping. Each new service increases your income potential. It is also important to manage money wisely. Many small businesses fail not because they lack customers, but because they misuse money. Keeping records of income and expenses helps you understand your business better. Saving part of your earnings allows you to invest in better equipment or handle emergencies. Customer service is another area that should never be ignored. Being polite, arriving on time, and communicating clearly can set you apart from competitors. People prefer working with someone they trust and feel comfortable with. Even when mistakes happen, handling them professionally can turn a bad situation into a good one. Let us not forget the personal impact of such a business. Beyond money, it brings independence. It allows you to make your own decisions. It gives you control over your time and future. For many people, this is more valuable than a regular job. Over the years, many successful entrepreneurs in Kenya started with simple ideas like this. They did not wait for perfect conditions. They started with what they had. A cleaning business may seem small, but it has the power to change lives. It can pay school fees, support a family, and create employment for others. In the year 2026 and beyond, opportunities like this will continue to grow. Urban areas are expanding. More people are moving into apartments and gated communities. The demand for cleaning services will only increase. This means the market is still open for new entrants. If you are thinking about starting, do not overthink it. Begin with a simple plan. Identify your target area. Gather your tools. Offer your services. Learn from every job. Improve each day. Success will not come in 1 week or 1 month, but it will come if you stay consistent. Every great journey begins with a single step. Your step could be buying your first cleaning supplies. It could be telling your first client about your services. It could be posting your first advert online. These small actions build momentum. There is dignity in every honest job. Cleaning is not just about removing dirt. It is about creating healthy, comfortable spaces for people to live and work. It is about solving real problems. When you see your work making a difference, it gives a sense of pride. In the end, the story of a cleaning business is not just about money. It is about growth, resilience, and transformation. It is about turning a simple idea into a source of income and opportunity. It is about believing in yourself, even when things seem uncertain. If you are ready to take control of your future, this could be your starting point. The tools are simple. The demand is real. The potential is huge. All that is left is your decision to begin.